Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Me and Brandon are back and we're reacting to Desmond Dennis, Can You Stand the Rain? Now we've done a reaction to Will Gittins and Ryan Flynn, Can You Stand the Rain? And we were vibing to it.
Yeah, we were.
And then we done that, they done Wanna Know by Joe and we reacted to that as well and he killed it. And then she done that with that, and then Will done another reaction with is it Raya or something? That nice one, the Haitian Filipino one. Woo! She every time I see her on Instagram, yeah, I'm like, boy. The only thing I say is sometimes some of the clothes she be wearing, I love wearing it, but if I was your man, I don't know. Because sometimes it's a bit.
You know, I would.
No, I would too, but there's times I'm like, sometimes less is more.
You know what I mean? I don't mind that, man.
No. I don't mind what my girl wears. It's in like, she can wear what she wants. But you gotta admit, sometimes less is more. So, you know what I mean? Like, you're showing something,
yeah,
but not too much.
Oh, you want it a little bit down?
Yeah, because it keeps the mind going. You know,
I see.
You know what I'm saying? Because if you see a girl and then her back cheeks are out, cool, that's great. But if you see her back cheeks out all the time, you're used to it. Sometimes you see her wear something like a touch longer, it's your man thinking. You see the styles, you're like, you see what's under there, but you're still like, I want to see what's under there.
I see you know
But anyway, we're going off topic here. We're listening to Can You Stand the Rain? Obviously, it's a classic song.
Yeah.
Brandon.
I love that fucking song, man. I love it.
Educate these people. If they don't know if they don't know who sings it, tell them.
Come on, it's group New Edition.
There we go. There we go.
You know, this is when the time when Bobby just left the group and they brought in Johnny Gill.
See? You're getting a history lesson here right now. All right. So we're going to react to this. We're actually quite hyped for this. We're going to see how it goes. We just listened to some good country music as well. But please like, subscribe, share. Let us know what you think of this down below. And if the people actually have done this video, if you see this, shouts to you. Hey. And we're going to give you honest reactions as well. So let's go.
Hey.
I'm doing dances already.
Jeez.
Hey, what? Hey!
Oh, no. He hit that point.
Hey,
no, we gotta go back.
Hey, yo. Why am I feeling? This sounds like that wedding. Yo, I'm not lying. Yeah. This guy did it right. Hey, he really enjoyed it. He's still stuck. Hey, I'm just saying. Brandon, out of all the brothers,
yeah.
What does he look like? No, like.
Are you trying to say he's fair skin?
Yeah. Why are we doing the most? Why are we doing the most? Why always got to do the most?
Hey, maybe he's feeling his
alright. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, yeah.
Nah.
Why am I feeling like this is us, man, at JV's wedding? Like, you know, Max be hating. Like, look at you two, what are you doing? Oh, you gotta think of ways to men now, yeah? Nah, let's go back.
The way he did that, man. The way he. Nah.
Right, ready?
Ready? Watch it.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Woo! Hey!
Can you hear it?
Woo! Hey, they're smooth with it though. They're smooth with it. Okay. Damn.
On a perfect day, I know that I can count on you.
Hey, that's smooth. Hey, that's hey, yo, I rate this. I rate it. These man need to go like this talent show just because the choreography is cold.
The way they did the choreography, they did it like Boys to Men does it.
Bro, imagine how long it took them to learn this. And then,
and
the thing is, not just some people do choreography and they can't sing.
Yeah.
Well then, alright, they can sing
and hit it.
With it.
Man.
Give me like some cocoa butter.
I suppose. Tell me, can you ever not slow? Cause I need somebody who will stand by me. Through the good times and bad times.
The trims are on fire as well, by the way.
Always be right there. Sunny days, everybody loves you. Tell me.
1 minute. He's the only one wearing a bow tie. Is he the groom? If he is, that's a madness.
Hey.
And also, I didn't know Jude Bellingham was there. Watch him, he looks like him a little bit. JV in the back. But yeah, I don't know, maybe. Hey, she feeling it though.
Hey, she is in the feeling right there.
Your love unconditional.
Jude, go on, Jude.
Hey.
I'm not asking much of you. Oh, no. Girl, to make it last, I'll do whatever needs to be done.
Look
at that screaming already.
Hey, if any of you are single, it definitely came the pum pum masher that night after
Yeah.
that. Woo!
Definitely.
I got 2 still.
'Cause I need somebody who will stand by me. Yeah. When it's tough, she won't run. She will always
What's she gonna do?
be right there for me. Sunny days, everybody loves them. Tell me, yeah, you tell me. Stars will. I know all of these won't be perfect. So tell me, can you stand it? Can you stand around?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on.
And no pressure from me, baby. 'Cause I want you.
Come on. Come on. Yeah. Good. Hey, he killed it. They killed it.
Ooh.
Yo, I'm not lying. That was a top tier performance still.
No,
If I went to that,
I gotta do goose pimples, man. Goosebumps.
yeah, if I went to that wedding, I'd be like, damn,
Yes.
damn. Hey, look at you lot hating over there. Look at the man. Like, I could have done that. I could do
You know
that.
what
I could do that. Got all these girls.
Yeah.
Got all these girls. Look at these young bucks. Got all these girls. Bring me back. I could have done that. But I'm telling you,
Boy,
that's vibes. That's vibes.
different vibe, man. That's a hard song to do, to cover too.
Mm-hmm. They put their own spin on it, you know.
Very, yeah,
And
I
then, like I
like.
said, the choreography was on point.
I noticed there was a little bit of new edition dancing there. I was like, okay, I see what you were doing.
These lot definitely listen to obviously a lot of New Edition, a
Yeah,
lot of Jagged Edge,
yeah.
a lot of H-Town, a lot of Boys to Men, all
Old
these
schools.
man. You know what I'm saying? But, woo! Hey DJ, I'm just saying, you got a long job to try and do after that, you know? Like, I'm not lying.
He's even looking like, damn, they killed it, man.
I'm not lying. I'm not playing no slow jams after that. I'm going Vibes Cartel or something like that. I'm trying to change up the whole mood. I can't compete with that. So, I'll get people whining and something like that. Like, you know what I'm saying? But hey, I like this. Like, let me. I didn't know what I was saying no more. It was just cold.
Left you speechless. That's what it did.
Left the speeches indeed. Let us know down below what you thought of this. Please watch this video because this is lit. This deserves views.
Control.
We'll find it for you 1 second. But yeah, this is lit. I enjoyed it. Brad enjoyed it. If you want us to react to more of it, we'll come back. We will react to more.
Yeah.
Let us know. Please like, subscribe, share, all that good jazz, guys. And we'll talk to you in a bit. Peace.
Peace.